Bill Phillips here, Chief of Central Adams County Fire Protection District. We're here today to do our final inspection on our fourth new E1 custom pumper rescue. Our district, we cover 123 square miles. We have 3 major highways. We have a rail system through our county, and we also have a airport. It's actually city-owned, but we supply water support to them. We have a pipeline system that runs through our district also. We wanted to take and combine 2 trucks, an old rescue and a pumper truck that was both 30 years old, and we combined that into this truck. Some of the features on the truck is a 28-inch front bumper that has our rescue tools on 100-foot cord reels. Also, we have a 100-foot cross lay in the front bumper that we can deploy pretty quick. Also on that, we have a nice lighting package. We have a 72-inch front brow. We have 2 36s on the side, LED light strips, some spot scenes or spotlights on the back of the truck. We also have a light tower. So our lighting, fires just don't happen, all daytime. So some of the other features, we have a 4-bottle cascade system up in the very top of the truck. We also have a generator, an onboard generator, so we have power. We got a couple liquid cord reels that are something we've never had before either. So our pre-build, we was here for 12 hours, and the features that we put on this truck were just excellent. We got to go around the plant and check the equipment out and check the products out that we could put on this truck, and got some good ideas, and we changed a little bit in the pre-build. That's what it's for. But getting this is our first new custom, and getting this truck to our firehouse, there's a big buzz in our firehouse. It just is a very excitement since being a grant recipient. So it's been just a good process all the way around.